What's up you guys, Rich here, yes, bringing yet another video, and guess what? I have a new listing. Yes, I'm super excited, have a new listing to sell. I'm helping my friends and clients to sell this beautiful house behind me. It's a 2-bedroom property in a beautiful condominium right next to Ajijic in Vista Alegre. It's a condominium of around 80 homes. There's some lots in here as well. Houses in Vista Alegre range anywhere from $270,000 up to, there's some houses that have been sold here for $850,000. This 2-bedroom villa, all on one level, and it has a mirador, which is quite rare here in Vista Alegre because there's only a handful of houses that have actually been allowed, or they've been grandfathered in, the mirador, which is the terrace above the house, which is covered. If you don't know Vista Alegre, guys, it is right next to Ajijic. Only 5 minutes walk from Ajijic. It's in San Antonio. There's a mall just around the corner with all the services that you kind of need, and there's restaurants and there's bars. So basically you have everything nearby, everything that you need. You're in walking distance. You don't really even need to drive in this location. So it's all about this house. It's all about its location. It's a lock up and go property, guys. It's coming fully furnished. Vista Alegre is a lovely condominium. It has a swimming pool, a heated swimming pool, and 2 tennis courts. Vista Alegre is a very quiet condominium. The majority of people that live here are in their retirement years. It's a mix of nationals, Mexicans, Americans, Canadians. So as we come in, guys, like I said, the house has 2 bedrooms, 1 master with a bathroom, and the other bathroom is a Jack and Jill. You've got a lovely boveda, Catalonian boveda ceiling. The kitchen was recently remodeled. So yeah, this kitchen's a really nice workable size. You've got plenty of workable areas. The laundry is just behind me, just running off. The laundry just runs off from the kitchen, okay? All the appliances are included in the sale as well. So just to let you know, guys, the construction of this property is 200 square meters, and the lot size it sits on is 567 square meters. If you did want to, you have plenty of room to extend the house and build another bedroom. So coming back into the house, this is a good size space. First bedroom here, which I mentioned, has a Jack and Jill. This is your main guest bathroom, full bathroom may I add. So let's take you into the master bedroom. The master bedroom ensuite was completely refurbished, completely gutted out and started. So this house has a completely a brand new kitchen and a brand new ensuite bathroom in the master bedroom. And what's important in this bathroom is they have a lovely tub here, a very nice deep tub. You know, I don't know about you guys, but I like to soak. After a long day of work, I like a soak. A handful of properties in this area that have miradors, and this is one of them. Let's take you up. The views are really nice. I mean, okay, you don't get many views from the house itself. This house has wheelchair access because it's all on one level. But just check out the views of the mirador. Aren't they lovely? It's a beautiful property, guys. If you're looking for a turnkey property, if you're looking for a turnkey property that you can just have and you can rent out if you're not here, or you can also, you know, just lock up and go, this is a great option. By the way, guys, your HOA fees here around 1,400 pesos per month. Your property tax bill here in Mexico, wait for it, guys. You may fall over if you're coming from California to hear this. It's only $150 a year. So there we have it, guys. Thank you so much for coming along, checking out my new listing here in Vista Alegre, Casa Lane. It's been my pleasure to take you around, give you a little private tour today of my beautiful listing. Guys, it's just about to come on the market. I'm super excited. I think this house is gonna sell quick. Prove me wrong, guys, prove me wrong. So let me know if you do want to come along, check out this beautiful listing with me, come for a private tour with me. I will leave my email down below, guys. Contact me, be my pleasure to take you around, show you this fantastic little listing. 2 bedrooms, all on one level, fantastic mirador with some awesome views of the mountains of the Sierra Madre. I mean, what more can you ask? Thank you all for watching the video, and I will see you in the next video. Hasta luego, amigos.